Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, Handy Tips. In this video, I'll be unboxing the new mic which I got as a gift. And I wanted this mic so I could improve the audio in my videos on AI. So without any delay, let's get right into the video. The first thing which I'll be doing is I'll be seeing what is written on the box. As you can see, it's saying gaming design. So this type of microphone is gaming type design. Extract company, and multi-platform means we can use at different platforms, which is good and which I want. Gaming earbuds, so we can use this also for gaming, but I need this for my YouTube videos. And GE109, that's the microphone name, I think. So let's read what's on the side. Extract me, dream my life. Cool, that's the name. Extract me. It's written here Ergo Design red, this is called Ergo Design, and detachable mic. So there's an extra mic, which is cool. And let's see what's written here. Dual mic for clear chat everywhere. So there's two types of mic, which is clear chat, and an earphone storage box, which is good. And now let me just open it to see. So I think I'll do like this. Okay. I'll be opening like this and then pull it out. I don't want it to fall out, so I'll put like this. It's tight, kind of. Whoa, this is cool packing. So let me take out this box. As you saw in the box of the microphone, it said this was a storage box. Let's check what's inside of it. Also, there's earphone plug thingy. I'm not really sure what's the name of it, but it's for these things. If it's like dirty or broken. Okay, let's take this out now. Oh, there's also a mic. Okay. So as you can see, let me just remove this so you can see it. As you can see, these can be used for our ears so we can hear ourselves and what we're talking. And this is a mic, the first mic. I'm not really sure where's the second mic. This is the first mic. We can adjust the audio and a small dot. I don't think so you really can see it, guys. It's the mic, and yeah, and this we can plug it on like different platforms. I mean devices like laptop. I think this is for laptop and also mobile. Okay. And I don't know what is this thingy, but in the box there's like this thing. Okay. And like so bendy. There's like a black thing. Maybe it's something with, but they said there's a second mic, so this might be the second mic. Or I think it's the second mic. Oh, there's a dot here. I think we can plug it inside. Okay. Also, it's a mic. We can put this in our ears, and while we're talking, it will like capture our voice on what we're talking. We can also bend it on how we want, which is good, really good. And yeah, also take it out. There's no charger for this, so which is a good thing, and it's not Bluetooth, so now our voice will not be cracky. Well, this microphone might be kind of cracky. This might not be, because it's like long and capturing our voice. And yeah, well, let's see what else is in the box. Not a lot of stuff, only the menu thing. Manual. Usage and stuff, which I already know how to use this. I've seen on YouTube. And yeah, so shout out to Extract Me Company, Dream My Life. And yeah, so guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. And guys, I'll talk to you next time. Handy Tips signing out.